The pole mount distribution transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This power distribution system is designed for overhead pole mount installations. With a transformer rating of 10 KVA, this industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 2400 and 4160 grounded Y and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 and 240 volt. This pole mount transformer features porcelain high-voltage dual bushings on the primary side and 3 bushings on the secondary side. Equipped with copper windings and a grain-oriented steel core, this single-phase transformer consists of 1 coil and 2 core loops. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.